Repairing Day Cream. Now you can get up to 400% better results from the most effective skin healing day cream available anywhere. Most over-the-counter day creams contain 0.25% salicylic acid, but our repairing day cream gives you 1.0%. This means our repairing day cream is formulated to deliver maximum blemish protection by gently cleansing the pores and relieving existing breakouts. Give your skin the healing gift of repairing day cream and help it stay clear and beautiful all day long. Use this invigorating cream to clean, nourish, and repair dry or damaged skin. You'll be shocked how fast your skin tone improves as your blemishes and marks begin to disappear. Featuring the perfect combination of natural astringents and moisturizing herbal extracts, our gentle repairing day cream will keep your skin looking its very best from sunrise to sunset. The 1.0% salicylic acid solution will help you fight acne and prevent future breakouts from occurring. What it is: a healing combination of herbal extracts and 1.0% salicylic acid that helps keep your skin soft and clear by providing continuous hydration and protection against future breakouts. This is the most powerful over-the-counter skin repairing formula available on the market today. All of our ingredients are held to the highest manufacturing standards, so you get the absolute best skin healing benefits from these premium quality extracts. Why you'll love it: the gentle nourishing formula will leave your skin feeling silky smooth, specially formulated to clear away blemishes without overdrying. Rejuvenating extracts keep your skin soft and radiantly beautiful. 120 ml jar, the strongest available day cream for skin repair. Acne doesn't stand a chance. 400% stronger than any other. 1% salicylic acid, clinically proven to give better results, faster. A luxurious day cream that not only destroys acne, but also enriches and heals your skin. You'll be shocked how fast your skin tone improves as your blemishes and marks begin to disappear. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.